It's the year 2025, month of October. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the modern features of Cobol 2002 and the, um, the other modern versions of Cobol, including the ones that allow you to forego the area system and to use lowercase letters. All right, so I'm sitting in a directory here, two more directories. I'm going to check out um, the first one. As you can see, I have an executable file called ffminimal, and its source code ffminimal.cob. I'm going to go ahead and exit ffminimal. All right, so it just displays hello world. Let's actually take a look inside ffminimal. All right. This particular form uh, is just showing what it's like to not have the areas, so I didn't space over 8 characters. To do this in GNU Cobol, you begin the file with that greater than source format free. You need to have that up at the beginning. And that tells the compiler to ignore some things. All right, so I'm just going to quit out of here, go up a level. So yeah, this kind of Cobol is supposed to be called free format. I've been calling it free form. All right, so we have ffminimal 2. I'm going to go ahead and look at that. Same kind of thing. An executable and the source file. All right, I see I've just another basic hello world program, but let's look inside. All right, look at that. Source format free, itself in lowercase, and then all of only the identification division and the procedure division are actually shown here. Probably the modern compilers allow you to skip over data division and environment division if you want. And even the keywords like display are allowed to be lowercase. Generally speaking, to make Cobol feel like Cobol and to make sure you're compatible with the broadest range of compilers, most modern mainframe developers will say you should refactor Cobol to just the 1985 standard, although this is nice. And maybe some uh, Cobol modernization uh, techniques do use it this way. If you do see something like this, you know they're using a modern compiler. Just make sure you know the policy at whoever's mainframe you're working on, or whatever your group thinks is best. But uh, most mainframe COBOL refactorers prefer to just keep it at the 85 standard for now. But I think this is a useful feature to have source format free, and maybe in the future from now we will go ahead and just do it this way. It feels modern enough, I think. All right, and that was that. I now have not a GoFundMe, but you can GoFund me by going to my coffee page. So you can go buy me a coffee and you can just make little one-time payments of any amount you want. I had that weird Patreon thing where you were like buying an icon and stuff. It was kind of silly. But I think this is a good way to just pay me if you believe in my content. Thank you.